Hello, and welcome to Babylon Game Starter, where today we are going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of custom character animations. Let's go take a look at the helper code, where we are asked to place the following code in the Assets TS file characters section directly before the red character. Let's go ahead and copy this helper code and let's go to our playground. Let's go to the File Explorer and choose the top file that is below the index, and that's the Assets TS file, the one that we are targeting. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a little bit more room, and let's go ahead and give ourselves a little bit more room in this fashion as well. Now that we are in this Assets TS file, and we can see the characters section, and we can see the red character. This is the beginning of the red character on line 16. So let's go to the beginning of line 16 and hit return or enter and go up a line and then paste in our helper code. Then let's format the code and take a moment to talk about it. So this new code brings in a newly defined character, Solar Girl, and this newly defined character includes a custom animation that we're referring to as Dance. Now, we are mapping that name Dance to a name that is in the file itself called Sun Screeching, which we'll take a look at in just a moment. And then we are activating that dance with the key J, and we have loop set to true, which will enable the particular animation dance to continue over and over again as we hold down the J key. So there we have it. Let's go ahead and save what we have. So saving, and then let's go ahead and play what we have. And there is the new character. Let's go ahead and throw it into full screen. Let's go ahead and move our camera here to take a better look, and we'll press the J key, and there we are. We're dancing, we're dancing. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's basically it with regards to this lesson. Let's go ahead and expound a little bit more on things. Let's go ahead and jump over here for a second and maybe jump again. It's pretty exciting. Pretty exciting stuff, no doubt. Makes me want to dance. Woohoo! All right. So, how would you know? This is just the question that I'm posing right now. How would you know exactly what that animation is called? So, if you recall, over here this said name Sun Screeching. So, this is the name that's in the file itself, in the actual model file. So, Babylon has a wonderful tool called, if you're not aware of it already, it's called the Sandbox. And that gives us a nice way to look into the actual file without having to have all of the playground tools. So if I go over here to the Sandbox, I already have it loaded up. And the Sandbox by default will show you the different animations. And we can see Sun Screeching is right there in the animations, and we can see a bunch of other animations in this file. So that is the important point that I wanted to make. This name is the actual name of the animation in the file. So hopefully you found that interesting, and you have another avenue of expression to utilize as you go forward and do some awesome creative work. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.